Hey guys, my name is Anchal Vig and I'm here to give you a love energy update. So, all you need to do to receive your love reading, and this reading is valid for both singles and people who are in a relationship. So, all you need to do to receive your reading is choose from number 1 or the yin yang keychain. You can choose the number 2 or the nail paint, white nail paint, or you can choose the number 3 and the white flower. So after you have made your choice, I'm going to begin the reading now. So for those who have chosen the number 1 or the yin yang symbol, I feel that a lot of love is coming your way. I think that you have been wanting to manifest something since a long time in your love life, and I feel that like I'm just getting this sentence that dreams coming true or love is coming your way. But I do feel that you need to really heal your heart chakra. Like I feel that you need to send some light and some positivity to your heart chakra first to manifest what you truly want in your love life. I'm also getting this message of socialization, or like you meeting people. Now this could be even your friends, this could be going out with family, this could be just celebrating something. But I do feel that you need to get out there more, you need to be around more people, around more positivity, around more socialization, around like I'm feeling that you need to express your needs and wants very clearly. Sometimes I feel that you expect people to understand what you want without telling them in clear words. But I do feel that you need to be very clear about your expectations in love. You need to set your boundaries very clear. And like the number 8 is coming to my mind very strongly for you. So I hope that you could relate to this message. I am going to be moving on to number 2 now. And let me see what love message is come for you. Okay, so I feel that you will have to keep some patience if you have been waiting on someone new entering, or if you are currently with a partner and there are some issues happening, or maybe you are looking for a commitment. I do feel that you will have to keep some patience in this matter. I also feel like the color blue, like in the card, is really standing out to me. Like I do feel that you seek more clarity, like you need to work with your divine masculine energy, which has all to do with logic, and it has all to do with career and career analysis. I do feel that somewhere something about your career is also going to be playing a role in your love life. Maybe you need to focus more on your career aspect now, or something needs to be more aligned in your career for your love life to be more sorted out or more simple. The last message that I am getting for you is to dream more. Like I just feel that believe in your dreams. I feel that you need to start believing in magic, need to start believing in the impossible. You need to start taking some risks when it comes to your love life, when it comes to your career. I feel that whatever energy you are putting out there is going to be coming towards you in a very magical manner. So I'll be moving on to number 3 now, and let's see what message is coming your way. Okay. So for people who have chosen the number 3, like I feel like you need a lot of uh, soft energy or the moon energy. I think like maybe you're a moon sign, or you're a person who draws a lot of energy from the moon. Maybe you wear a moonstone, or you are supposed to wear a moonstone. I think that the moon is going to heal you. I see that you have let go of something very heavy, or a lot of past trauma is coming up to surface for you when it comes to your love life. I feel that you need to just relax and spend more time around moon, around water, around maybe water signs. I do feel that a lot of rewards are coming your way, maybe gifts are coming your way. I feel that you need words of affirmation, like you need a lot of positivity. You are somebody who wants to hear that they are loved, that they are safe, that you are valued. I feel that you really need that in your love life. I feel that either if you are single right now, that the person you will have will shower you with words of affirmation or will show you a lot of love. or if you are in a relationship, I do feel that very soon you're going to be very pampered, like you're going to be very taken care of. You do not need to worry. um, I just feel that for now, stay still. Like, I feel that you just need to take a break or take a vacation, just enjoy and be within yourself so that you can manifest the love that you truly desire.